Another super rainy day. I made up some wonderful tea, did my sun dance, and researched solar energy so I could figure out how to capture it better. All right, folks, it's day 10. I'm a quarter of the way through the 40 days of sunshine. And as you can see, the sunshine part has gotten a little liquefied and a little masked. So for the last 2 days, I have placed a meal out in the sun. I started yesterday at about noon, and here we are, it's about 4 p.m. And so for about 20 hours, actually no, that's 28 hours, these eggs have been out in the sun. I selected a food that can really handle not being fresh. So this isn't gonna be much to look at, but of course this is gonna be the grand test, okay? And I'm pretty hungry. I haven't eaten in a couple of days. I can feel the warmth. You know, you can never crack an egg if you squeeze it. Oh yeah, that's very hot. The spin, oh yeah. Feels a little soft. So this could be like a hard-boiled, soft-boiled type of situation. I'm lucky enough to eat a hot meal for the first time in a couple days. The GoSun worked through total cloud cover, pretty much clouds and rains, and I've got myself a meal. It's a little jiggly, but hey, it's a hot meal, and cold meals make me mad, so this is gonna make me really warm and happy. Emily suggested that I make an egg salad, so I took the liberty to doctor up a few of the eggs and made a scrumptious dish. The other thing that I loved about this is that there was virtually no cleanup.